Today, we're going up the mast. Yeah, up to the tippy top. So all the screws at the top of the mast, we need to get this Tef gel on them so they don't get stuck in the future.
What we did is we put two lines on them, so we always have working line and a safety line. And I didn't put it on the clip, I made sure we tied it on because you just don't know if the bindings will go off on the clip or anything like that, so we made it doubly sure. Luckily on breaker we have a nice electric winch, so I took him up with my toe.
Which is coming on, I'm ready to go.
Okay, if you need me, because I'm going to go down and clean in stairs,
yeah,
just knock on the...
on this?
Yeah.
Climbed high places, but they're usually stationary. This will be the first time it's a moving vehicle. Whoa! Almost there. All right, I'm there. Woo! Okay. Okay, now I just have to do this 17 times around the rest of the mast and enjoy the view. How's this for scrubbing the wind? I've given the knocking signal for Simon to come get me. I don't think he can hear me. I might be up here for a very long time. Oh man, I'm gonna get so hungry. I think there's a squall coming. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, it's cold. Alright, so I got... Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, ready. Oh, good. Woo!
How was it out there?
It was pretty good. It wasn't so bad. I liked going up. That was fun. And I think I got like some of the, the goopy stuff in my mouth because I had to use my mouth as a third hand a couple times. It was not bad.
Hey, well done.
And that's how you lubricate your screws at the top of the mast. Your future self will thank you.